Hey guys, it's me again. For today's video, I will show you how to add a gift card to your Amazon Prime Video. So, first of all, we don't need to go to the Amazon Prime Video website. You can just use the normal Amazon browser. Then we go to the upper right. You can see this drop box menu, and under accounts, you can see account. So press account. And next, we see here a bunch of Amazon features, which is your orders, logins, your T Prime, your addresses, your business accounts, so gift cards. So this is where we go. So the next is gift cards. Then here we can click redeem a gift card. So whether or not you're given the gift card, you can see the letters or the numbers or the codes in the back of the card and just input it here. So let's say claim code. Make sure your code is right, then press apply to your balance. And one important note is whenever you rent movies or take purchases in the Prime Video app, whether it's renting, purchasing, it will first deduct the balance from your Amazon gift card instead of your card or debit card. So it will deduct the amount from your gift cards first. So that's a very nice thing because you don't have to spend in your own wallet. So that's all for today's video, and thank you for watching.